Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, then go to the wallpaper. Here you can choose one of the pre-installed on-device wallpapers like these ones, or you can just go to My Photos and select any other photo which you can download from the internet, or just take a picture with your camera and set it as your wallpaper. So I'm gonna pick this one. Here you can adjust the image and then tap Set Wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.